Hi, this video is all about the order of classification. So it's how we classify all of our animals into the groups that they belong. Taxonomy refers to the scientific information, and it's how we split that into a number of levels. So the first level of taxonomy or classification is the kingdom. So we've looked at kingdoms like the kingdom of plants, the kingdom of animals, the kingdom of Monera, the kingdom of protists, and the kingdom of, what's the last one? Fungi. The next level is called the phylum. Okay, and that refers to whether or not the animals have a backbone or not. Then we have the class, so that would be mammals, reptiles, arachnids, insects. Then we have the order, and that I think refers to what the animal eats. Then we have the family, so all the animals that are similar, like all of the cats are part of a family, the tigers, lions, jaguars, they're all together. Then we have the genus, and then right down to the species. So it starts off a very broad group of all the animals in the world, and it goes all the way back down to a specific species. So if we have a look over here, let me just move my face. This is how we classify humans. So we are in the kingdom of Animalia, so all animals in this kingdom. We are in the phylum of Chordata, which means that we have a backbone or a spinal cord, Chordata. We are in the class of Mammalia because we are mammals. We are in the order of primates, and that includes monkeys and chimpanzees and apes. We are in the family of Hominidae. We are the genus of Homo, humans, species sapiens. So our scientific name is Homo sapiens. So your scientific name is made up of your genus and your species. Okay? So as humans, which is our common name, are the Homo sapiens. All the scientific information about a living thing is called its taxonomy. The term taxonomy refers to sorting and classifying living organisms, and sometimes we refer to it as scientific classification. Taxonomists are scientists that study very, very minute features to identify individual species and put them into the groups that they belong in. Scientists use scientific names to classify organisms, and this is because it's a scientific universal language. So I might want to go to a zoo in Japan to see the lions, but I don't speak Japanese. But I know that the scientific name for a lion is the Panthera leo. So I could go to a zoo in Japan or Egypt or anywhere in the world, and I could ask the zookeepers, can I please see the Panthera leo? And they would know that that means the lions. So let's have a look. Oh, this is about a tiger. Let's have a look. Tiger, they're in the kingdom of Animalia. They're in the phylum of Chordata, which means they have a backbone. They are in the class of Mammalia, which means that they are a mammal. The order of Carnivora, which means that they are carnivores and they eat meat. They are in the family of Felidae, which is the family of cats. They are in the genus of Panthera, which means great cats. So that's our big main strong cats like lions and tigers. And they are the species of tigress. So their scientific name is Panthera tigris. And our lion that I spoke of was Panthera leo. Let's have a look at a grizzly bear and how it is classified. It is in the kingdom of Animalia. So here we have every animal in the world. They are in the phylum of Chordata, which is they have a black backbone. And then we class grizzly bears in the Mammalia group, which means they are mammals. They are in the order of Carnivora, which means they eat meat, they are carnivores. They're in the family of Ursidae or Ursidae, so that's the bears. They are in the genus of Ursus, which is our great bears, and their species is Horribilis. That's a good name, isn't it? So their scientific name is Ursus horribilis. That's your grizzly bear. All right, let's have a practice. So we've got a dog here, and its common name is dog. Scientific name is the Canis Familiaris. So its kingdom is Animalia. Its phylum is Chordata, which because it's got a spinal cord. Its class is Mammalia. It is a mammal. Its order is Carnivora. It eats meat. Its family is the Canidae. You might think that that's similar to canine. Sometimes we call our dogs canines. Its genus is Canis, and its species is Familiaris. So its scientific name is Canis Familiaris. Oh, look, Theo says hi. Hi. Oops, I forgot to say goodbye. Goodbye.
Bye.